There you have it. Papa. Sabi na. Papa. Si Daddy.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video is mag-attend tayo ng Christmas party namin sa airport na job. I'll be going to Metrotown first to see Rhea, my classmate and my workmate. And bibili kami ng foods to bring. Potluck yung Christmas party namin. Get ready with me and I will prepare everything. Magpe-prepare muna tayo. So I have here the collagen. So far maganda yung ano ngayon, winter. So, I still have here my glow recipe. Ayan. Yun lang ginagamit ko. So, let it dry lang din. After ko maglagay na itong glow recipe is magsa-sunblock tayo from Fair Skin. Hindi naman to sponsored, so
Fair Skin, baka naman.
Actually, matagal ko na itong last year ko pa lang to ginagamit yung Fair Skin dito. Kasi so far, maganda yung Fair Skin dito sa amin, sa climate naman dito. I mean sa weather dito. Like hindi nag-oily yung face ko. Parang wala ka lang nilalagay na sunscreen. Okay, after naman yan is etong last ko na ginagamit tong tomato grass skin. So nung pag-uwi ko dyan sa Pinas is binili ko to and sobrang sobrang natural. Like literal talaga na fresh skin lab. Sobrang refreshing niya sa mukha. Sobrang refreshing na talaga. I-spray mo lang siya. So there you have it. I will be wearing this na t-shirt. And ayan lang, ito lang siya. So magbibihis muna ako. Last na ilalagay ko sa ko is since winter dito malamig sa labas. So nagda-dry yung lips ko. I have here the Dazzle Me na brand yung sa Pinas. Ito yung nila, lip serum. I rather to use this shade of peach. Okay, so this will be my outfit. Just a normal t-shirt lang. And then, I don't know. I'm thinking if I'll bring this bag from Lululemon. You look at this. Yeah. Don't mind my background. So, there you have it. See you, baby. I'm not going somewhere, man. So I'm already here at Metrotown. So I'll be going inside the Metrotown. So sa kahaba-haba ng nilakad ko, nandito na ako sa work mo. Hola! Yeah, she's there. Annyeong!
What is that? I can't add you later. Bye! Oh, bakit ka na?
So, tapos ni siya, guys.
Ang gago!
Ayun. Ang haba ng nilakad ko kanina.
Uy, matuto ka muna.
So, where you?
Dito kasi ako once magdamit.
Okay, sige, sige.
Dito ka ako.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Give me some of your stuff para ano. Okay.
Picture! I'm so pretty.
Tapos kilap na niyo.
Back to my Ay, isasali yun sa... Ayusin mo dapat maganda
Oo nga.
ako.
Isasali mo sa vlog.
Mamaya iba ng mukha mag-vlog. Ganito na lang kaya dalhin ko. Wala dito 49 lang. Or this one. Pero unti lang.
So, since hindi ako nakapagluto ng cassava cake, no? Kasi wala nang native cassava sa Filipino store malapit sa amin. So, I'm bringing something different na lang. You can have this one first. So, I'm thinking if I'll be having this strawberry cheesecake or New York cheesecake. Which one is good? I think I'll be having this two na lang. This will be good. Okay. Oh my God. It's not that cold.
Yeah, I'll text you.
Hawakan mo yung cake.
Is it Canada?
It's on the other side. Sting. Sorry, God, I miss this place. One is it.
Hi!
So we are here at level 1.
I'm sorry, That's the last 1 minute.
I made. So if you guys get food poisoning, that's not my fault.
Oh, so many!
So many!
Yeah. This one actually made. Because we're all Asian.
We have
But it's not your Asian rice. But I messed up. I put it on the bottom. Come back on tomorrow.
yes. Hola, ¿cómo estás, mi amigas?
May pang take out ako. Stop!
business class.
Okay, on to the next.
I wanted to. I'm so hungry.
Yeah. No, see.
Oh my god, this is the first class vegetables.
Yeah.
Perfect.
You can just eat a little bit.
Yeah.
Some decor.
I understand that. And the plastic, yeah, the plastic.
Oh my god. Wait. It's not perfect. Yeah. No, not great.
Okay.
5 stars. And then I was like, get the samosa. But
Yeah,
I don't
Granny
wanna
will be
touch it
coming
'cause
here.
what if- He
19
doesn't want
minutes.
that piece that I touch because you gotta touch it with your hands. So I'm gonna let him touch it.
Yeah,
And then the pizza will get into it later.
I think let's cover it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, I love it.
Nah.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat. Can I have the this cup?
It's really good. I love it. It's so good.
Yes, thank you so
What
much.
the?
Look at me.
Oh shit.
So we have some foods here for Gwenny. Because Gwenny can't go here.
Wait, there's a purchase, right?
Hi.
Oh, there's me. Oh, hi.
Cinnamon. Mr. Cinnamon.
I forgot. I was looking over there.
Girl! I miss you! Samnida kang paling yung pa ako. Ayun na yun na Sharon. Annyeonghaseyo.
You a 5-course meal under here.
Uy, Mark's gonna be like, you know what, girl?
Just walk in here.
Girly pop.
Do you need help?
No, we're good.
Open the door.
You wanna open the door?
The one in the front?
Yeah.
Okay. It's locked. Okay, there you go.
Oh, my
Next month.
regular agents, ano?
For what?
CSA.
Not for Flair, no.
Air North.
I'm waiting for the FA right now because I'm already in, right? So might as well.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go because I don't want to take it out.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
Some more.
And then Kuya Mark was like, I just set
So the party is over.
It's already 7, Steffi.
Bye, my vlog. Goodbye, bitches. Adios.
No. I thought I had a shift tomorrow too, but I don't.
Good to see you guys.
20th is when you're coming back.
Yeah, I'll be fine. Same time. I think we have 7:45.
7:45.
And you'll be starting at 8 on that time.
Bye.
Thanks for cleaning up.
Bye-bye. Ano, bihakot award? Yeah, masarap siya, no? New York cheesecake.
Busog na kasi sila when we got there.
So, let's pick it up. Our stuffs.
Pizza. Wow, nice naman ang mga houses here.
So, dito ko natatapusin yung pag-vlog, guys. And thank you so much for watching my vlog. Bye-bye!